Hello everyone, welcome back to another Nicholas Reed YouTube video. I got 12 minutes of filming, which I believe is a lie because I just deleted a bunch of crap because my phone is really old and crappy. So that's why my other videos are terrible quality. So I'm filming in better quality this time. I'm just gonna stop the yapping. But I got a bunch of random stuff because my neighbor is having like this free cleanup day, and let's go through what I've got so far. So basically, I got this crappy lawnmower. I think that has a blown head gasket. Oh, that's mine. Oh, yeah, I got this too. This Pimp My Ride motorcycle. This thing is giant on camera. It's not that big, I promise. I got this dethatcher. This is going to my mom. My mom wanted one so bad. Literally, the guy put it out. This thing barely runs, but there's a whole ton of stuff in my truck. Let me go grab all that stuff. Now, here's my plan with all this stuff. Everything has to be thrown away. I know you can't even see anything, but there's people that are loud. But there's literally giant piles of trash alongside of the road for everything that needs to be thrown away. So if any of these snowblowers has no chance of running, I'm literally gonna put it in the free pile. There's an Icer Toro running Craftsman, big one. I can't even move, so that won't be on camera. And then another push behind Craftsman. So there we go. I should have done that from the start, but I turned the cargo lights on, and you can barely see that. But that is a dual stage Craftsman. Thank you, OBS Ford. And I didn't roll up my window and it's locked, so I can just freaking reach in. But let's go roll all the stuff in. You can't even see it. God, my camera sucks. But this is I don't even remember what brand this is. This is just a older style. Oh, it's an MTD. So I got 2 single stages and a lawnmower for free, and a weed whacker, a bunch of other stuff. Let's see what we can do with them. I'm just gonna start by seeing if any of them run, and you guys can flame me all I want, all you want. All right, this one does feel like it has fuel. Maybe a year old. Not terrible. Feels like it has a lot of pressure in the carb. Little to no compression, so that's not a good sign. Moving on from this one. Oh, also I forgot you don't pull the handle. Whatever. This one, there's like no primer. Oh, it's got a key. Choke on, off right there. Electric start. Oh yeah, pretty nice. Oh my God, this thing kind of sucks. Let's prime it. Maybe there's no gas in it. Maybe I should get this in the camera so you can see it. Hopefully you can. There's no gas. That's a good sign. Let me get my phone off the tripod. Hopefully I was filming something. Let's get some gas. This is the heaviest gas can I own. Trying to film this is gonna be tough. If you guys watched my pressure washer video, oh my God. I had a hard time. Okay, I'm gonna have to put it down. There we go, I'm filling it with gas. All right, there we go. And I hope, is this a 2-stroke? I can't tell if it's a 2-stroke. It doesn't say mix it anywhere. Oh, yep, it does. Okay, I gotta go get mixture oil. All right, so here's my mixture oil. I'm just gonna go, that's good. All right, perfect. Don't wanna ask what that is. That is totally not 1030 Mobile 1, but the important thing is there's oil in there. I used to run my old moped on 1030, so we'll be fine. Give her a shake. Perfect. All right, now let's see if it runs. All right, so my phone keeps falling off this tripod, but let's see. Oh, I hear fuel this time. We're just gonna prime it a crap ton. Let it flood. Oh, that was... Hey, there's nothing there. All right, I think I'm gonna go get an extension cord and see if it'll bump over. All right, so honestly, bumping stuff over is one of the only reasons one of my snowblowers is alive. But all you gotta do is hold the electric start and then bump the primer. I mean, it runs like shit. It's very loud. Oh my God, is that annoying. And then that's why my phone also keeps falling off the tripod. Yeah, that is very annoying. Oh my God, I'm deaf. And I just smoked out the shop. Well, hey, I might use this motor for a project or something. It's a nice little 2-stroke motor. Those are fun little projects. This one has electric start too. This one doesn't really want to fire over that much. It feels like it has no compression. There's like a really weird clicking noise. I don't know if anyone hears that. I don't know if that's like a starter gear going out. I think that's it trying to click over, but the fuel's not flammable enough. That's just a guess. I have one of these motors as parts because I used to have a lot of these, but these are worth some money in good shape. And this one's in good shape, so this is probably gonna be one that's worth some money. Oh, yep, that's a little bad. Hopefully it starts, or I'm gonna be siphoning all that out and putting it, yep, that sucks. Good clean though. Okay, I feel a teeny little bit of spark. So, yeah, you just stick your finger on the wire and see if it buzzes a little bit. I've seen these though, they will bend the spark plugs up because people will have like water in their gas a lot on these guys. I don't even know how it happens, but it will bend the tip of the spark plug. Yeah, we have no spark. There's that. We got a fuel delivery issue. All right, so we've definitely got a fuel delivery issue. Look how you gotta keep it running. So you gotta prime it. Okay, so it's probably just a dirty carb. I think we dig in that tomorrow. I think both of these machines are good. And I think I will be doing separate videos on them if you guys would be interested in that, or I'll be throwing them away. I might keep that motor for a junkyard video or something like that, or for a go-kart build if I ever do that. Oh, also, Death Trap mini bike, don't put a 224 to a CVT to a 52 tooth rear with a 10 tooth front. This thing will go 55 and does scary power wheelies. This one's our next one. I think this one has a blown head gasket. I don't know about you guys, but let's see if I can get it running. All right, I've already messed with this one once or twice. It originally had no spark, and this brake cleans out. Really, this sucks. All right, let's see if he'll start. I have pretty low faith that this thing will run, and I'm getting gassed out, so. Let's try some frickin' WD-40 through the intake. Something flammable, because that carb is done. All right, see what we get. For such a nice mower, I feel like this one will be going on the curb, even though I already fixed some issues with it. It blows smoke every single time it runs. This one's going back on the curb. So let's go put it out there. Okay, so now my phone's giving me overheating warnings. And I figured out how to, oh my God, figure out how to turn on my freaking flashlight. But it's like, don't record more than 10 minutes of video. Well, I only have 2 minutes left that I can record, so back to the curb we go. Let's make it look nice. When I first got this thing, they didn't even make it look nice. They didn't even put the cover over it. Now it looks like a mint lawnmower, and they can have a bagger on it. When I got it, they didn't even put the bagger on it. That thing runs. He said it doesn't like to go in a straight line, but that's probably gonna be a parts one or a scrap one. But if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, make sure to subscribe. I don't know if I will be pulling the mower on that gray one, but I definitely will be working on the Toro on another video. But thank you guys, have a nice day.